Learning to speak English is important, but not everyone has the time to take classes or schedule in-person lessons with a private tutor. As technology advances, people are turning to their mobile devices to get the news and information they need. With applications for your smartphone, tablet, or personal computer, you have a world of knowledge right at your fingertips. So, why not use an English speaking app to improve your English? There are dozens of English speaking apps available for PC and iOS and Android devices, but they all vary in price, quality, and versatility. Some students want an app that caters to beginners, while others want an app that allows them to practice speaking English at an advanced level. So, to help you find the right app for you, here is our list of 10 best English speaking apps for non-native speakers. But first, I will share the 6 free apps to learn English from. So let's get started. If you have not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and don't forget to hit the bell icon. The first free app is Duolingo. Learn English for free. The Duolingo app has changed the way people learn the English language. The mini lessons in English, which feel more like a game than a lesson. The app helps practice speaking, reading, listening, vocabulary, and English pronunciation. One can begin with basic phrases and move to sentences. The app allows the user to learn new words every day. Its bite-sized lessons and progress tracking methodologies make it a user-friendly app. Number 2, Cake. Learn English for free once again. Want to improve your English speaking skills? Look no further. The Cake app provides you with opportunities to converse with native speakers at no cost. If you want to sound like a native speaker, the Cake app has the solution for you. All you have to do is record your voice using a tool in the app, and with its AI speech recognition, it lets you know where you stand. This way, you can correct your pronunciation and soon you will sound like a native speaker. Isn't it good? The next one, which is number 3 free app, is Speaking English Practice. Speaking English Practice uses virtual conversation tools and is designed to prepare non-native speakers for real-world interactions. The English speaking practice exercises here are focused on conversation. You can practice casual conversation spanning a wide range of topics from business English to daily life. Additionally, the app allows you to track your progress with voice recordings and preset difficulty levels. This is available on platforms like iOS and Android, and the key features are short English conversation lessons, quizzes to test your knowledge, voice recording tool to track your progress. Number 4, English listening and speaking. In order to speak English fluently, you also need to know how to listen. The English listening and speaking application uses thousands of lessons to improve listening, comprehension, pronunciation, and vocabulary. This English speaking app also features 6 difficulty levels, making it a great fit for almost any English student. It's available on iOS and Android. The key features here are thousands of audio files, online and offline functionality, lessons on grammar, vocabulary, and common phrases. Number 5, Hello Talk. Hello Talk is one of the most popular language exchange apps on the market. With text, voice, and video options, you can easily converse with native English speakers all over the world. HelloTalk also uses built-in software to help you translate and pronounce English words with greater accuracy. It's also available on iOS and Android. Key features are live interactions with native English speakers, text-to-voice software, one-on-one and group chats. Number 6, apps for speaking English. If you are not ready to practice speaking English with a live person, Apps for Speaking English offers the next best thing, animated characters. Since you are not speaking with real people, you can practice at your own pace, day or night. Apps for Speaking English puts particular emphasis on basic grammar structures which gradually increase in complexity over time. This is available only in Android. Key features are speech recognition and feedback, 3 difficulty levels, and 36 dialogues, lessons to improve grammar. Apart from these free apps, I am going to share the list of 10 best English speaking apps in India in 2021, either free or paid. While there are many English speaking apps available online, we bring to you the top 10 best English speaking apps according to user review. Number 1, Embibe, the Learning Outcomes app. Number 2, Hello English app by CultureAlley. Number 3, Talk, English speaking practice. Number 4, Listen English Daily Practice, BBC Learning English, ECL Learning English, IELTS Speaking, Duolingo, Cambly and Cake. Please comment below and let me know if you had used any of these apps in the past and your experience. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so and don't forget to hit the bell icon. We have trained more than 7,000 corporate executives in the last 5 years. We provide classroom training and video courses. You may contact us. Our contact details are mentioned below in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a wonderful time ahead. Happy learning.